Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to the channel. I'm so excited to dive into today's topic with you all, ready to take you on a nostalgic trip back to a time of flip phones, bubblegum pop, and some seriously iconic beauty trends. And today we're throwing it back, way back, to the Y2K era, a time that defined a generation and continues to influence fashion and beauty today. We're talking about the dawn of the new millennium, a period of bold experimentation and unapologetic self-expression. Think low-rise jeans that defied gravity, butterfly clips adorning every hairstyle, and chunky sneakers that were as comfortable as they were stylish. It was a time of playful accessories and daring silhouettes. And of course, the boldest beauty trends ever. We're talking shimmering eyeshadows, glitter galore, and lip looks that were impossible to ignore. The new millennium was all about being seen, making a statement, and embracing your individuality. It was a time of celebration, optimism, and a whole lot of sparkle. And nothing said "look at me" quite like those iconic lips. Perfectly lined, glossed to perfection, and ready to steal the show. I've seen Y2K making a major comeback, and I am absolutely here for it. From fashion runways to social media feeds, the early 2000s are back in a big way. So let's dive headfirst into the nostalgia and recreate 3 unforgettable lip looks that defined the era. Get ready to channel your inner pop star. First up, frosted pink, then we're moving on to glossy nude and finishing strong with bold berry. These aren't just makeup looks, they're statements, declarations of confidence, and a celebration of individuality. They're relics from a time when shine was everything, and more was definitely more. So grab your liners, your glosses, and maybe even a little bit of glitter, and let's break down each look step by step. I'll show you how to rock them today with a modern twist, making them fresh, relevant, and totally wearable. Ready to smize with your lips and unleash your inner Y2K queen? Let's dive in and get this beauty party started. Let's dive into a trend that defined an era, the frosted pink lip. This iconic look, a staple of the early 2000s, is making a major comeback. We're going to explore how to rock this Y2K classic with a modern twist. It was Y2K's ultimate pop princess signature. Think Britney Spears, Christina Aguilera. These trendsetters owned the red carpet with their shimmering pink pouts. They set the standard for the era's most coveted lip look. To modernize it, start with smooth, exfoliated lips. This is key to avoiding a dated, cakey finish. A gentle lip scrub will remove any dead skin, creating the perfect canvas for your frosted masterpiece. Next, grab a liner just a shade darker than your natural color. This will add subtle definition and prevent the pink from washing you out. This is for soft definition, not a harsh outline. We're aiming for a blurred, modern effect, not the defined lines of the past. Blend the liner inward for a subtle gradient. This creates a seamless transition between the liner and the lipstick, adding depth and dimension. Remember, no harsh lines here. The goal is a soft, diffused edge that looks effortlessly chic. Now apply a creamy, pearlescent baby pink lipstick. The creamy texture will keep your lips hydrated and comfortable, while the pearlescent finish adds that signature frosted effect. This is for that disco shine, reminiscent of the early 2000s party scene. To amplify the shimmer, tap a silvery or light pink shimmer eyeshadow onto the center of your lips. This will catch the light and create a mesmerizing, multi-dimensional effect. This is for extra dimension and a touch of modern glamour. The shimmer adds a playful, youthful vibe to the look. Finish with a dab of clear gloss in the center. This will plump up your pout and add a touch of modern shine. This final touch is for a juicy, fresh look that's totally on trend. The gloss adds a touch of hydration and makes your lips look irresistibly kissable. The result? Frosted pink fantasy, reimagined, nostalgic, luminous, and totally wearable. It's a modern take on a classic, perfect for adding a touch of Y2K fun to your everyday look. Shine on, superstar! Embrace your inner pop princess and rock this frosted pink lip with confidence. Next, the glossy nude lip, effortless, chic, and dripping with shine. Start with a noticeably darker lip liner. Think warm brown or caramel to create that signature Y2K contrast. Blend the liner inward for a soft ombre effect. Fill in with a creamy nude lipstick, lighter than your liner, focusing on the center. Now, pile on a thick, ultra-glossy clear lip gloss for that glassy, wet look. The gloss melds everything together, making lips look plump and irresistible. This look is bold, sexy, and pure Y2K glam. Channel your inner supermodel and let those lips do the talking. Alright, let's dive into something a little more daring. Finally, let's go bold. We're talking about a deep berry lip. a shade that commands attention and exudes confidence. Think vampy, sophisticated, and absolutely full of attitude. This isn't just a color, it's a statement. But before we unleash this bold hue, prep lips so they're smooth. Exfoliate gently to remove any dry skin. Then, grab a lip liner and carefully line with a matching or slightly darker berry liner. This will define your lip shape and prevent feathering. Precision is key here. Take your time to create a crisp, clean line. Now fill in your lips completely with the liner. This creates a base for the lipstick and intensifies the color. This step is crucial for lasting power. It acts like a stain, ensuring your lip color stays vibrant for hours. Next, apply a rich berry lipstick in thin layers. This prevents the color from bleeding and ensures even coverage. Use a brush for perfect edges. A lip brush gives you ultimate control and allows you to create a flawless, defined lip line. Now it's time to choose your finish. Keep it matte for modern drama, a sophisticated and velvety look that's perfect for a night out. Or add a berry gloss for that juicy Y2K vibe. It's all about that high shine, playful look. The key is unapologetic, saturated color, a bold, intense pigment that makes a statement. This look is for the bold and the brave. It's about embracing your inner confidence and expressing yourself fearlessly. Own the room with this fierce statement lip. Let your lips do the talking. Y2K never looked so powerful. This is a modern take on a classic trend, and it's all about making it your own. And there you have it, 3 iconic Y2K lip looks, reinvented for today. Which one is your favorite? Frosted pink, glossy nude, or bold berry? Drop your pick in the comments. Thanks for joining me on this nostalgic beauty trip. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more fierce tutorials. Stay beautiful, stay confident, and always smize. Bye, y'all.